Welcome to Shadow and Speak English Daily.
You study English every day. You know grammar. You know vocabulary. But when someone asks you a simple question, you can't answer quickly. You think too much. You feel stuck. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 simple sentences that English speakers use every single day. These sentences will make you sound natural and fluent. Let's start right now. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to Shadow and Speak English Daily, your daily dose of real, spoken English. In today's lesson, you will learn 10 essential sentences that native speakers use all the time. These are not textbook sentences. These are real-life sentences. By the end of this video, you'll speak more naturally and confidently. Ready? Let's go! Step 1. Listening warm-up. First, let me tell you something important. Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. Fluency is about using simple sentences quickly and naturally. Native speakers use the same simple sentences again and again. So today, we're going to learn those sentences together. Listen first, then repeat with me. Step 2. The 10 essential sentences. Sentence 1. How's it going? This means, how are you? It's very casual and friendly. Listen, how's it going? Now repeat after me. How's it going? Great! Use this with friends, co-workers, or classmates. Sentence 2. I'm good. Thanks. This is your answer when someone asks, how are you? It's simple and polite. Listen, I'm good. Thanks. Repeat, I'm good, thanks. Perfect. You can also say, I'm doing well, thanks. Sentence 3. What do you think? Use this when you want someone's opinion. Listen, what do you think? Repeat after me. What do you think? Wait 3 seconds. For example, I like this dress. What do you think? Sentence 4. That makes sense. This means I understand, or that's logical. Listen, that makes sense. Your turn. That makes sense. Wait 3 seconds. You can also say, that makes sense to me. Sentence 5. I'm not sure. Use this when you don't know the answer. It's polite and honest. Listen, I'm not sure. Repeat, I'm not sure. Wait 3 seconds. Example, I'm not sure what time the meeting starts. Sentence 6. Let me know. This means, please tell me, or please inform me. Listen, let me know. Say it with me. Let me know. Example, let me know when you're ready. Sentence 7. I'll get back to you. This means I will answer you later, or I will reply soon. Listen, I'll get back to you. Repeat, I'll get back to you. Very useful for work or school. Sentence 8. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Use this when you don't hear or understand something. It's very polite. Listen. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Your turn. Sorry, I didn't catch that. You can also say, could you repeat that please? Sentence 9. I'm on my way. This means I'm coming, or I'm traveling to you now. Listen, I'm on my way. Repeat, I'm on my way. Example, I'm on my way to the office. Sentence 10. Have a good one. This means have a good day. It's friendly and casual. Listen, have a good one. Say it, have a good one. Use this when saying goodbye to anyone. Step 3. Shadow practice. Now let's practice all 10 sentences together. I'll say each sentence, and you shadow me. Speak at the same time as me. This builds your fluency and confidence. Ready? Let's go. Speak slowly and clearly. Pause 2 seconds between each. How's it going? I'm good. Thanks. What do you think? That makes sense. I'm not sure. Let me know. I'll get back to you. Sorry, I didn't catch that. I'm on my way. Have a good one. Excellent work. You're sounding more natural already. Step 4. Real-life mini conversation now. Let's use these sentences in a real conversation. Imagine you're talking with a friend. Listen first. Friend. Hey, how's it going? You. I'm good. Thanks. How about you? Friend. I'm great. Are you coming to the party tonight? You. I'm not sure. Let me know what time it starts. Friend. I'll get back to you in an hour. You. Perfect. Have a good one. See? Simple, natural, and fluent. Now you try. Repeat the conversation after me. Great. Now you know these words too. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. You learned 10 essential daily sentences. You practiced pronunciation and shadowing. You saw a real-life conversation using these sentences. You reviewed 5 useful vocabulary words. Remember, fluency comes from speaking simple sentences confidently. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice every day. Speak the English you already know, and you'll get better every single day. I'm Jessica, and this is Shadow and Speak English Daily. Your space to grow, learn, and speak freely. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for daily English practice. See you tomorrow.